Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this new and improved jacket on Draws to Impress. It is actually just the Nicholas code here, and there are a bunch of toggles now. There's default, which is this one, unzipped and cropped. You can also turn off and on the logo as well, which I think is pretty cool. And that's how you can basically get it. It's actually super cute. I really like the crop one. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.